This BSc Library tutorial is aimed at helping you find topics for your research papers. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to list 3 sources for finding a topic area, and students will also be able to integrate database topic areas into their research process. Let's get started. It's time to write the first research paper for your class, and your instructor says to you, pick a topic you're interested in. The library has 3 great starting places. These databases not only help you pick a topic, but they have research attached to them, including peer-reviewed journal, magazine, and newspaper articles, along with visual materials such as maps or statistical information. The 3 are Opposing Viewpoints, Points of View Reference Center, and Access Science. Let's take a look at how each one of them works. To access these 3 databases, you'll need to use the library's web page. From the home page, mouse over the Academics heading. You will then see a list of resources. The library is the second item under Academic Resources. From there, you'll need to scroll to the bottom of the left-hand side, and you'll see a heading that says Research Starting Places. The second item in the list is A to Z Databases. That will jump you out to a second page. The second page will allow you to either search by name, or there is an A to Z listing. You can click on the corresponding alphabet letter from the start of the name of the database and find the database that way. In Opposing Viewpoints, you'll notice on the right-hand side under the banner photo a series of icons. The first one is a light bulb. By clicking on that, you'll get to the Browse Issues page. The Topics page includes hundreds of topics, some ranging a few years back, but most of them current. You'll notice they put an update icon onto the newest listings. The Points of View Reference Center gives you the option to search right away. Underneath that is a slideshow of the hottest topics trending in the news right now. You'll notice just below that there is a tab where you can browse the categories. Once you go to Browse by Category, you have the option to do Show All so you can see the thousands of items they have available for you to pick a topic from. Access Science gives you broad subject areas to pick from. Once you've selected a subject area and clicked on it, it will then narrow down to some subtopics you can investigate. What I like about Access Science is on the right-hand side, it has a column called Trending in this Topic. This will help you pick a most current and sometimes controversial topic for your paper. Each of these 3 research tools provides you with academic level scholarly pieces of information. Each one does it a little bit different. Here's some examples of what it looks like. Opposing Viewpoints is very clear as to which one is an academic journal or a newspaper, while Points of View Reference Center and Access Science handle it a little bit differently. If after watching this tutorial you feel you need more help, the librarians are here to help you with your research. You can give us a call at 701-224-5450. We're also available by email at bsc.library@bismarckstate.edu, or you are welcome to stop in the library at the reference desk to ask for help in person. Good luck with your research.